Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. First, go to your ClickUp account, then click on the search bar at the top and go to Settings. Now, select Sources on the left side, then Connect App. After that, search for HubSpot and click on it. Now, just go ahead and click the Manage button, then Add to HubSpot. For here, you need a paid plan feature, so just go ahead and upgrade your account. But once you've done that, you can now easily integrate ClickUp to HubSpot. Now for the second option, go to your HubSpot account and go to Marketplace at the top, then choose on Apps. After that, just search for ClickUp and select it. Now install the app. In this one, you also need an unlimited plan and above. And once you have it, you can also easily integrate HubSpot to ClickUp. Now for the third option, go to Zapier and click on their site. Now just log into your account. Once in, on the left side, click on the Create button and choose on Zaps. Now for the first trigger, just go ahead and search for ClickUp and choose it. Now for the trigger event, you can choose on whatever fits your needs, but for here, I'm gonna choose on New List. After that, just go ahead and sign in to your ClickUp account. Now select your workspace and connect it. After that, just continue. Now choose your workspace and continue. Then go ahead and test your trigger. After that, just choose on a list. Then continue with selected record. Now for the second trigger, just go ahead and search for HubSpot, then select it. Now for the action event, you can also choose depending on what you need, but here I'm gonna choose on Create Contact. Now sign into your HubSpot account. Choose your account, then continue. Here you can add in the required information or not, and just continue. After that, just go ahead and test your step. After testing, you can now publish your integration. So just click on Publish. And there you have it. Your integration with ClickUp and HubSpot CRM is now created. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.